What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you guys how I do my signature braid. I literally wear this hairstyle every single day, and I have been for the past 9 months. And I just really want to share this tutorial because it's so quick, it's so easy, and it's so cute. I've been seeing recently Kim Kardashian wearing the braid now, but I actually got the idea from Harvey because she always wears a cute little braid and it's always popping. So I want to go ahead and teach you guys how I do it. Before I do, I just want to ask you all to please comment, like, subscribe. That would really mean a lot to me. So let's get started, girl. The products I'll be using today are going to be my Rua pre-stretched braiding hair. I'm going to use my hard brush, my mini hard brush, my mini weave brush that I got from Miami, Eco Style gel and a dual edge comb, Murray's black beeswax, oh, and rubber bands. Ow. Yo, I look crazy right now, but it's okay. I'm getting it together. I'm going to take my mini weave brush and my hard brush and slick down my hair as much as possible with no product in it and pull it into a tight pony, but not too tight. I want to keep my edges, you know. I have a lot of breakage from leave out weaves that I've worn over the years, so this is pretty much as good as it's going to get. I'm just now trying to start growing that hair back. Alright, so that's pretty good actually. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to take my Rua braiding hair, pull out one of the 3 bundles. I'm kind of just combing it out right now. So I'm just attaching the bundle by wrapping the rubber band around the ponytail. It's real simple. Once the bundle is finally secured, just divide the hair in 3 sections and start braiding down. I'm using some of the Eco Style gel to braid it because that prevents my real hair from peeking through the braid. Kind of lays it down. So we're braiding, still braiding, braiding a little bit more. Yep, and we're almost done. Okay. I'm pulling on the braid to make it less tight. Adding a rubber band. Alright, we're not done yet though. Now I'm taking my Murray's beeswax and I'm using this to slick down my hair. I'm using this because if I use gel, it'll all wave up and then it'll be too difficult for me to style it on a daily basis. This allows me some flexibility if I want to do a middle part or a side part braid. I really love this stuff because it just blends right in. Now I'm taking my gel and starting my edges. I'm pretty much following the exact same steps I took when I gave you all my edge tutorial, except now I'm using the spoolie. The spoolie really is challenging. It's really not intuitive, but the more you do it, the better you get. That little piece always gets me. Ooh, kill him. Okay, so I'm basically gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm really not gonna show too much of this. I just wanted to give you all an idea. If you didn't watch the edge tutorial, then I will link it below. I think you should go ahead and take a look because it's informative, ladies. It'll help you accomplish this style. Just applying a little bit of the Murray's edge wax at the top of my hair because again, I have a different texture up there than I do on the sides. Then a couple clips because again, I have damage from leave out weaves, and so I put clips to just hold that hair down at the top. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and leave a comment, girl. I want to hear it. And until next time, bye, girl. I can't ever get that damn hard right.